Hello students, welcome to our third lesson of the unit 6 of preparatory 2. Our lesson for today is which one is Yuki? So which one is Yuki? So can you tell me what does it mean here? So which
من
one?
هو يوكي؟
Yes,
من هو
yes,
من هو
very
يوكي؟
good, yes.
أي من
Yes, أي من الأشخاص هذه نقصد بها is Yuki.
أي منهم يوكي؟
Yes, very good. Yes, very good. So now we'll move to our lesson. So this is our lesson for today. So which one is Yuki? So we will see, okay. Exercise, so section A, so we will have to do the workbook exercises, but we have to read this first. And the second section, read and help Fauzi find Yuki, take turns to describe other people in the picture, your partner guesses. Now do exercise E on page 67 of the workbook. So our lesson for today is really concentrated on the workbook. So now we will move to section A. So we will do the exercises, but we have to read this description. So this one here, so this is the description which describes Yuki. So which one is Yuki? Yuki sent this description to Fauzi. Yuki sent this description to Fauzi. I am quite short and I have short black hair. I will be wearing a t-shirt and a green jacket at the airport. You will recognize my parents easily. My father is very tall and he has glasses. He always wears a dark suit. My mother is shorter than my father. Her hair is gray. She always wears a kimono. So who can read this? And where is?
I can.
Where is?
Can I, Aisha?
Yes.
I'm Fatima.
So
I'm
we have Aisha. Okay, we have Serene. And
Aisha Fatima.
okay, and Fatima. So Serene,
Aisha.
Fatima, Aisha. Yes, can you start? So Aisha will be the first, Serene will be the second, Fatima will be the
No,
third.
I'm Fatima.
Okay, Fatima will be the first, Serene the second, and Aisha is the third. Okay.
I am okay. I am quite short and I have short black hair. I will be wearing a t-shirt and a green jacket at the airport. You will recognize my parents easily. My father is very tall and he has glasses. He always wears a dark suit. My mother is shorter than my father. Her hair is gray. She always wears a kimono.
Yes, a kimono. Very good. So where is Yuki? So which one is
I
Yuki?
know.
Aisha?
Can I circle it? Can I
Yes,
circle
yes,
it?
Serene, yes.
Okay.
Very good, Serene. Yes, yes, very good, Fatima and Aisha and Serene. Yes, very good. Now, Serene, it's your turn. Yes, can you read this?
I think it's this, not because the green jacket.
Yes, look, yes, I am quite short and I have short black hair. I will be wearing a t-shirt and a green jacket. To Aisha, you recognize my parents easily. Yes.
I'm quite short and I have short black hair. I will be.
Yes, so what about you, Aisha? So which one is Yuki?
Yuki is quite short and he have a black hair. Shirt and a green jacket.
So you have just two boys here. So this is a brown jacket and this is a green jacket. Yes, so this one is Yuki. Yes, thank you, Serene. Yes, very good. Now, yes, Serene, it's your turn. Yes, can you read this, Serene?
Yuki sent this description to Fuzzy. I am quite short and I have short black hair. I will be wearing a t-shirt and a green jacket at the airport. You will recognize my parents easily. My father is very tall and he has glasses. He always wears a dark suit. My mother is shorter than my father. Her hair is gray and she always wears a kimono.
Yes, very good, Serene. Yes, so what about you, Fatima?
Okay. Yuki sent this description to Fauzi. I'm quite short and I have short black hair. I will be wearing a t-shirt and a green jacket at the airport. You recognize my parents easily. My father is very tall and he has glasses. He always wears a dark suit. My mother is shorter than my father. Her hair is gray. She always wears a camino.
Okay, so now, yes, kimono, yes, kimono. So now listen carefully. So I will ask you some questions here. So what does it mean here, recognize? You will recognize my parents easily.
تلاحظ
Yes, تلاحظ أو تتعرف على. Yes, تتعرف.
تعرفهم
So, yes, recognize is like to know. You know, to know someone, yes, to recognize.
Yeah.
So when we say to know, it's like recognize. Okay. So what does it mean here? Description. Yuki sent description to Fauzi.
عريف.
Yuki sent. Yes, sent. Yes. Yes,
Yeah.
sent. What does it mean? Sent here?
يصف.
Sent. أرسل. So it is in the past.
Sent.
Send is in the present. Sent is in the past. So Yuki sent this description. Yuki أرسل هذا الوصف to Fauzi. So I think yes, this one maybe Fauzi, and Yuki sent him this description to recognize him and also his parents. So where's his father and where's his mother? So this one is yes, this is his father, and because he's wearing a dark suit, yes, and his mother, so its mother is wearing the kimono. So it's a Japanese suit. A kimono is a Japanese suit. Dark suit, so this is a dark suit. Yes, very good. Now we will move to the next section. Okay, so now we'll move to the workbook on page 65. So this is our first question. Read these sentences, then listen to Fauzi and his father and complete them. So here we have these sentences. I will read them, then we have to listen to answer this question here. Fauzi and his father are going to, so we have something to fill here, to write something here. They will go on the, we have something, we have to written here. Okay, they will fly to, they will be there for, they will fly on, the flight will take, so will take about how many hours or how many minutes. Now you have to listen carefully.
Okay.
To track 35. So here you have the text that you are going to listen to fill what? To fill the sentences here. So to fill the gaps we have here. Okay. Now you have to listen carefully. 1, 2.
Unit 6, track 35. Fauzi and his father are talking. Listen and complete the sentences. Fauzi, good news!
What's that, Dad?
I'm going to Japan, to Tokyo,
When?
in 7 weeks from now.
Oh, Dad! Can I come with you? Please?
I thought you might ask me that. Yes, you can come.
Wait a minute. Yuki doesn't live in Tokyo. I won't be able to meet him.
Maybe Yuki can come to Tokyo.
Yes, I hope so. I'll write and tell him straight away. What date will we travel?
On the 17th.
And how long will we be in Japan?
12 days.
12 days. Great. Which airline will we fly on?
Afrikaya Airways, of course, if they fly to Japan.
How long will the flight take?
I'm not sure. About 7 hours, I suppose. We'll find out when I get the tickets. Just calm down and get on with writing to Yuki.
Yes, yes. I'll do it right now.
Yes, thank you so much for listening. Now I want you to guess the answers we have there. Okay.
Can I say number one?
Okay, so now I want you to...
Can I?
Okay, yes.
Units
Sorry, yes.
6.
Now we will move to the number one. Yes.
Can I answer number one? Can I answer?
Okay, Fatima, we will be number one.
Oh,
Go on, yes.
Aisha.
Yes, Fatima.
Yes. Posey and his father are going to Japan to Tokyo.
Very good.
Unit
So Japan, we can say also Tokyo. So also accept Tokyo. So we have two answers. We have Japan and also we can accept Tokyo. So the same two answers are correct. Okay, yes, number two.
Can I, Aisha?
Okay, yes,
Can I
Aisha.
answer?
Yes, Aisha.
They will go on the airplane.
Yes, the time.
Oh.
So we say on the 7th. Yes. Here we can say yes on the 7th. Yes. So what date will we travel? So here it's the same like they will go on the 7th. Okay. So what about the third one?
Can I answer, please?
Yes, Reen.
They will fly to Tokyo.
Yes, very good. So they will fly to Tokyo. Yes. What about you, Aisha? Number 4.
Aisha. Can I answer number 5?
Yes, Rubin. You're
12
number 5.
12 days.
Yes, 12 days. Yes, 12 days. They will be there for 12 days. Yes, Rubin, number 5.
They will fly on Africa Airways.
Yes, very good. So what about the last one, the 6th one? The flight will take about...
Me, please.
Yes,
The
Aisha.
flight will take about 7 hours.
Yes, very good. So it will take about 7 hours. Now we have section B. We have to listen to answer the questions. Listen and answer the question. Fawzi emailed Yuki. So Fawzi emailed Yuki and 2 days later he had a reply. So هو يعني جه رد. Now Fawzi is telling his father about Yuki's email. So now Fawzi is telling his father about the email that he received from Yuki. So will Fawzi meet Yuki in Japan? So this is right. So we can say here it's right. Yes, they will meet each other in Japan. Okay, now read these sentences, then listen again and write notes. Now you have to read these sentences, then we have to listen to track 36 here, and we have to write notes. Some sentences are wrong, so some of these sentences are wrong, so they are completely wrong. Write a cross, so we have to write X here, because this is what we mean by cross. So we will write cross, okay, in front of that sentence. Write a cross next to them and make a note of the right answer. So we have to make a note. So why, for example, this answer is incomplete. Yuki's parents will meet them at the airport. So we will see Yuki's parents. So why it's wrong here? So why it's incomplete? Because not only Yuki's parents, but also Yuki. So we can say Yuki and his parents. Meet them at airport. So here we have also only Yuki's parents. So this is what we mean. So you have to correct each sentence which is wrong, or also if it's incomplete. Some are right, but not complete. So some sentences are right, but they are not complete. Like this sentence here, it's right, but we have to complete it. Make a note of the extra points. So we can add also extra points in front of each sentence. Now we will move to the listening section. So now I want you to listen carefully.
Okay.
Track 36. Fawzi wrote to Yuki, and 2 weeks later he had a reply. Now, Fawzi is telling his father about Yuki's email.
Dad, I got an email from Yuki this morning.
What does he say?
He says that he and his family will be in Tokyo when we are there. Isn't that fantastic?
Yes, it is.
And he says that his father and his mother will meet us at Tokyo Airport. And he'll be at the airport too.
Oh, that's good. I've never been to Japan, you know.
He wants me to stay with him at his uncle's house. He says you can stay too, Dad.
Well, that is kind of them. But I'll stay in a hotel because I have business to do. Remember, I won't be on holiday. I have to work. But you can stay with them. I'll write and thank Yuki's parents for their invitation. And you can start thinking about what clothes you'll need.
Oh, clothes. I didn't ask Yuki what I'll need. What do you think, Dad?
I don't know. Find out what the weather will be like. And ask Yuki what you will be doing, where you'll be going. Just don't take too much. You'll have to carry your own bag.
OK, Dad. Oh, just one thing. I want to take Yuki a present. What shall I get him?
You said he collects stamps. Why not take him some Libyan stamps?
Good idea, Dad. Thanks. I'll do that.
Yes, thank you so much for listening. Now we will move to our question. Listen and answer the question. Fawzi emailed Yuki and 2 days later he had a reply. Now Fawzi is telling his father about Yuki's email. So will Fawzi meet Yuki in Japan? So is it right or wrong? So it is
right.
Yes, it is right. Now read these sentences, then listen again and write notes. So now we have to read these sentences here. So we said that some of the sentences are wrong and some of them are right but not complete. So we have to correct them. Okay, so what about the first one?
Can I answer?
Yes,
Wrong.
okay, Rubin, you will be number 1. Yes, the others.
I can be number 2.
Okay, Aisha, Abdurrahman, and Abdurrahman will be number 2 and 3. Sri will be number 4. Aisha will be number 5. Okay, Arwa will be number 6. Yes, can you start, Rubin? Yes, number 1.
Number 1, it's wrong. Yuki and his parents will be them at the airport.
Yes, so it is incomplete. So yes, Yuki and his parents, not only Yuki's parents. So what we mean here by the first one here, نقصد هنا في الأولى والدين يوكي فقط. We don't mean Yuki. So this sentence is complete because we say that not complete, it's the same like incomplete. So that's why we say that it is incomplete. And also we have Yuki. So we can say Yuki parents and Yuki will meet them at the airport. So what about the second one? Yes,
Yuki
Fatima.
will stay in a hotel. Wrong. He will stay in his uncle's house and his
Yes.
dad will go to the hotel.
Yes.
Because Fawzi and his father will stay there too. No, his father will stay in the hotel.
Yes, very good. So Fawzi and his father will stay there too. So we mean in
Wrong.
the hotel, so it's wrong. Yes, not the father. So what about the fourth one?
Fawzi's father is going to Japan for a holiday. It's wrong. He's going to work.
Yes, so it's not for holiday, it's to work. Yes.
Yes.
So what about the fifth one? Yes, Aisha?
It's wrong. Okay. Yuki told Fawzi which clouds to
Bring.
bring. It's wrong.
Yes, he just
no.
yes, because he just talked with his father, but he didn't say to Yuki. Okay, so Yuki, Yuki told Fauzi, no, he didn't tell Fauzi which clothes to bring. So what about the last one? Yes, I think we say Arwa. Okay, Arwa, yes, Arwa. Adel?
Incomplete. Libya stamps.
Yes, Fauzi will give Yuki a present. So the present, no, he will give him Libyan stamps. So this is incomplete because he didn't give him just a present. He gave him Libyan stamps as a present. Okay, yes, now we will move to section C. Find words in Yuki's description of page 66 of the course book. So they must mean the following. So the word no here. So which description we are talking about? So we are talking about this description here. So this description. So this is the description. So we need words that mean the same as the words we have here. So no, we say to recognize. So no, it is the same as recognize. So
No.
recognize, what does it mean here?
No.
Yes,
No.
to know. Yes, to know. What about father and mother? Our parents. Yes, our parents. A Japanese dress. So which is the last word?
Kimono.
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 Yes, kimono. So this is a Japanese dress. Very good. Now we will move to the last section. Sorry, it's not the last section. We have also E. Read the information in the box about the future continuous tense, then answer the questions. So you have to read this about the present continuous tense. I will be wearing a t-shirt. So this is in the future. So in the future, and also it is continuous. So this sentence is a future continuous. Don't phone Rami between 7 and 8 o'clock tonight. He will be doing his homework. So we are talking about future continuous. So to make the future continuous, so the tense, so we have to use what? In the first one, use?
Will be.
Yes, we will use will. Sorry, yes, we will use will plus
Be.
yes, very good. Be plus verb with
ing.
yes, very good.
ing.
Yes, ing. So we have now 4 sentences like the first one we have here. So it's like this sentence here. So we have to use it like this in the future continuous. So the first one, what will you be doing between 7 and 8 o'clock tonight? So what will be the answer? So I will be.
I can.
Yes, your name, please.
Arwa.
Okay,
Aisha.
Arwa, yes, Arwa and Aisha. Arwa will be number 1, Aisha will be number 2. Okay, who's number 3 and 4?
Me, Fatima.
Okay, Fatima and Aisha will be number 3 and 4.
Okay.
So what will you be doing between 7 and 8 o'clock?
I will be watching television.
Yes, very good. I will be watching television. So what about the second one? Yes, Aisha?
I will be sleeping.
Yes. What you'll be doing between midnight and 6 o'clock tomorrow morning?
At midnight,
I will be
I will,
yes.
I will
Yes.
be sleeping.
Yes.
And
The
tomorrow
third one.
after.
Yes. The third one is yours, Aisha Abdurrahman. Yes.
Okay. What you will be doing between 2 and 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Maybe I will go to my cousin's house.
Yes. You can tell us this sentence, the answer here.
I will be helping my mother to paint
My house.
my house.
Very good. Okay, you can tell us another answer. I will be.
Can I please?
I can.
Yes, Serene, you read. Yes. What about the fourth one? Yes, Fatima.
What will you be doing between 1 and 2 o'clock on Sunday afternoon? I will be.
Cooking lunch
I
with
will
my.
maybe. I will maybe be at the shop.
Yes, I will be. So you have to use will plus be plus verb plus ing.
I will maybe be at the shop.
I will.
Be at the shop.
No, you need to add a verb. Verb plus
I will
ing.
be cooking lunch with my family.
Yes, I will be. Yes, cooking
Cooking a
lunch
lunch with my family.
with. Yes, very good, with my family. So look here, Aisha. Sorry, Fatima.
I will
Yes,
be helping my sister to do my
yes,
homework.
very
To
good.
do her.
Yes, I will be. I will be. Yes, I will be helping
Helping.
my sister. Very good. Look here, we have will in the first one here. Then we have be. Then we have verb help plus ing. So this is, we have the future continuous. So now we will move to the final section. So Serene, so this is your turn, okay? Write a description. Imagine your pen friend is coming to visit you. You and your parents are going to meet him or her at the airport. Write a description so that your friend will recognize you. Look back at the writing tips. Use your notebook. So you looked at the description before and you read it. So I want you to write something similar to that. So this is what we mean by use your notebook, so you can write it down. Okay. So I have something ready for you, Serene. I just want you to read it.
I'll be wearing a red shirt and a long black jeans. I will also be wearing a blue baseball cap. It says Boston Red Sox on it. My mother will be at the airport with me. She'll be wearing a long blue summer dress with yellow flowers on it.
Very good. So you will be wearing a red t-shirt and long black jeans. I will also be wearing a blue baseball cap. On that cap, it says, so it's written there, Boston Red Sox. Boston Red Sox, it's a name of baseball team. On it, my mother will be at the airport with me, so she's with you. She will be wearing a long blue summer dress with yellow flowers on it. So this is our lesson for today. So did you understand our lesson for today?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you so much, and see you next lesson.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
Yes, goodbye.
See you.